So at Google I/O, they've dropped probably one of the worst kept secrets, and that is the Pixel 3a and 3a XL. So this is their new mid-range or more affordable Pixel. So with the naked eye, if you put the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3a side by side, there's only but a few subtle differences. So first thing is the return of the headphone jack. You still have stereo speakers, but they're not front facing now. So now you have one in the earpiece, another one down firing, kind of like what the setup Samsung has. And then that's about it from just looking at it. But when you pick it up, you can tell a little bit of difference in regards to, 3A being a bit on the plastic side, and the regular 3 having that glass and metal combo that you usually see. Internally, other differences are a mid-range tier processor with the Snapdragon 670, same RAM, same storage, 64 gigs, that's the only storage size you have. You don't have wireless charging, you don't have any IP rating, nor do you have their Pixel Visual Core or their image processing chip. So that may make image processing a bit slower, but from my brief time with it, I haven't noticed too much of a difference. So outside of that, you still have a lot of the great features that come with the Pixel, or at least the Pixel 3. So you still have great camera, you still have night sight, you still have their call screening built in, and all this for a nice package starting at $400. So it's gonna make, the mid-range market a bit tough for the competition. You just got to make sure to stand the test of time in regards to performance, because the Pixel 3 and 3 XL have had some issues in regards to RAM management, or whatever you can call it, where having some sort of issues with it. So if the 3A can not run into those problems, this might be the new king of the quote-unquote mid-range or mid-tier smartphones. So we have one. We got the 3A XL. We're going to put it through our spaces. Let us know what questions or what things you want us to cover in our full review, which we'll have coming up real soon. And thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.